Check this out. I just picked this up. How the hell do you open this? Now these are the wireless versions. They should be, because that's what I wanted, and I'm gonna be pissed. The AirPods with charging case. I don't know, some people like this, but I don't. I hate opening things like this. It takes too damn long. There you go. Now, I don't know if these are the wireless versions, but I'm gonna find out right now. A little bit. Design in Apple in California, assemble in Vietnam. Interesting. Comes with a cable, which I already have like 2 of those. Put that there, put that there. Let's see what else is in here. Got some AirPods. And some, okay, I'll put that away. Hopefully these are really good, because they weren't that expensive, like what, $119? You could get these at Walmart right now. Let's find out if they're wireless. I have a little thing right here. I'm gonna have to pause this for a bit. I couldn't figure out the wireless component, so I just put it there. I had this wireless one right here. I'm just gonna order another station that has it already. Well, this is what I have right now, but I guess so. Peace out then.